Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all Bhumi Pednekar's weight loss diet plan. With the help of this diet plan, you'll be able to lose 10 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Now we have all seen how Bhumi Pednekar transformed herself from fat to fit with the help of diet plans. So I'll be sharing with you all Bhumi Pednekar's diet plan for weight loss, which is super easy to follow and with the help of which you'll be able to lose weight fast very easily. So recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for weight loss and they were able to see great weight loss transformations happening, and so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with Bhumi Pednekar's weight loss diet plan to lose 10 kgs in 2 weeks very fast. Early in the morning, empty stomach, she preferred to have aloe vera juice. Now all you have to do is add 2 teaspoons of aloe vera juice in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Have it sip by sip, empty stomach. Now this will help you clear all your toxins from the body, first thing, and second thing, also remove any kind of inflammation that prevails in the body. So we'll make sure to have this drink empty stomach every day for 2 weeks to see the results. Now something that worked amazing for Bhumi Pednekar's weight loss was increasing her water intake, but as well as she increased her detox water as well. So I'll be telling her recipe for Bhumi Pednekar's special weight loss secret, that is detox water, and it is very easy to prepare. All you have to do is in 1 liter of water add 3 cucumbers, some few fresh mint leaves and 4 chopped lemons. Refrigerate this water for at least few hours and your detox water is ready. Sip by sip, have it for the entire day and your weight loss will be speedy. This recipe for detox water worked wonders for her weight loss, and as well as will work for you as well. Now proceeding towards your breakfast. Bhumi Pednekar always had a high protein breakfast for her weight loss. So the options for weight loss breakfast would be, the first option is muesli with skim milk and along with that added some seeds. Now this is a very healthy option for your breakfast as well as rich in protein. So make sure to have a good full bowl of it. Along with this you can even have 2 fruits of your own choice. Second option for your Bhumi Pednekar's weight loss breakfast is 1 slice of multigrain bread or brown bread with 2 egg white omelets, and along with that you can have 1 fruit of your own choice, be it papaya or be it an apple. So this is a very healthy high protein breakfast option for weight loss. So you can choose any of these 2 options for your weight loss breakfast idea. Now let's proceed towards your mid-morning snack. For mid-morning snack you can have a freshly brewed cup of green tea along with 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts. Now this is a very healthy snack option as well as good in antioxidant level as well. Now let's proceed towards our lunch. For lunch, she likes to have a very desi meal with a bowl of vegetables tossed in olive oil, along with that dal tadka and 2 chapatis, which is made up of multigrain flour. For multigrain flour you can choose a mixture of bajra, jowar, soya and amaranth flour. Now these are the 4 flour options that she chooses for her roti. Along with that, a good full bowl of dal and some vegetables that are tossed in olive oil. And definitely with this she likes to have 1 full glass of chas, that is lassi, or you can also have a good full bowl of curd. This is her weight loss lunch option, extremely good in carb content and as well as high in protein as well. The rotis are gluten free in nature and hence they are very amazing for your weight loss. Now proceeding towards your mid-evening snack. For mid-evening snack you can again have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. Along with that you can have half a piece or 1 full piece of dark chocolate. This will definitely help you kickstart your metabolism and definitely a good stress reliever, and best for those who crave sweets, as this diet plan will be without any sugar as she cut off all her sugar, refined sugar. So enjoy your dark chocolate as your mid-evening snack. Now proceeding towards your dinner. Dinner she made sure to have between 7 to 8 pm and not later than that, for which she preferred to have paneer along with steamed vegetables and a very small bowl of brown rice. Now this will give you good carb content also, and along with that high protein and good fiber also. You can steam the vegetables and add along with this 50 grams of paneer or tofu, which is preferred to you, and along with that a very small bowl of brown rice, that is equal to 70 grams of brown rice. This will be your dinner and make sure to have it before 8 o'clock. Now proceeding towards your bedtime drink. Bedtime drink, keep it as chamomile tea. Again great for stress reliever and definitely helps you kickstart your metabolism for the night also and relieve your stress for the entire day. And do not forget to keep consuming the detox water that we prepared in the morning itself. Extremely great for weight loss and for belly fat also. With the help of this diet plan, you'll be able to lose 10 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss journey with me. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any doubts about any of this diet plan, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.